Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your loadout and checking environment threats before you begin. Carry 1 crowbar, 2 repair kits, and 3 rope coils for the task. Mark the target wall visually and place a 3-5-meter safety perimeter around the work area. Allocate 5 minutes to scout enemy spawn points and set extraction routes. Signal your team with a short beep and assign roles: breacher, cover, and extractor. Confirm all players have radios and 1 healing item each. Approach the log wall while your cover mate watches nearby angles and approaches. Place the crowbar at the lower seam and apply steady force for 6 to 8 seconds per notch. Once separated, pull 4 log segments off in sequence, starting from the bottom and moving upward. Attach 2 rope coils around loose logs to prevent fall hazards as you progress. Signal completion of each segment with a short radio ping. Pause after each third segment to check stability and stamina. After creating the breach, clear debris within 2 meters to maintain a safe path. Make sure the exit opening is at least 1-5 meters wide for comfortable passage. Heal teammates and repair gear using 2 repair kits before initiating movement through the breach. Move out in single file and have cover provide overwatch for 20 seconds after the last person exits. Retrace the extraction route and collect rope coils and the crowbar, leaving no usable items behind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.